There are 5 myths many of us quietly carry about creativity. Myths that feel like truth, but slowly hold us back. Today, we'll name each myth with compassion, sketch together, and offer a softer truth you can lean into instead. Hello and welcome. I'm Janet, architect turned creative renewal coach and watercolor artist. At Blueprint to Brushstrokes, I help mid and late career creatives return to their practice gently, with compassion, curiosity, and tiny rituals that meet you exactly where you are. Before we begin, if your creativity feels tender or fragile right now, my Creative Confidence Reflection Guide is a soft and grounding place to start. It's free, and it helps you understand your current creative season with clarity and care. You'll find the link below. Today we're exploring 5 myths plus one bonus myth that quietly shape how we think about creativity, and more importantly, the gentle truths that can help you return to your art with more ease, safety, and self-trust. To anchor our time together, we'll sketch something simple. Look around you and choose a small object with meaning. Maybe a pebble, a cup, a leaf, a shell from a beach walk. Today, I'm going to sketch this little vase that a very good friend gave me. Sketching in this small, memory-rich way eases pressure. No masterpieces, no expectations, just a tiny story on the page and a wonderful memory to ground you. As your hands begin to move, let it be loose. Let your lines wander. Let this be about presence, not perfection. The truth is, many of the beliefs that block our creativity don't sound like obstacles at all. They sound like logic. They sound like standards. They sound like what a responsible person would think. But these myths gently and quietly keep us from returning to our art. Underneath these myths, you'll often find fear. Fear of not being good enough. Fear of wasting time. Fear of being disappointed again. But when we name these myths and offer ourselves kinder alternatives, something shifts. Our nervous system softens. Our shoulders drop. And returning to your practice becomes less intimidating and more possible. Let's add a soft wash. Nothing dramatic, just a little color to warm the page. This next part is about nourishment, not pressure. 5 myths plus one bonus myth. So what are these myths? Myth number 1. Creativity is something you're born with. The gentle truth here is that creativity is a capacity, not a gift. It grows through noticing, curiosity, returning, and practice. A small micro action you can take today is just sketching one thing from your day. Creativity grows by doing, not by destiny. Myth number 2. You need to feel inspired before you start. Here's the gentle truth. Inspiration comes after you begin. Action invites the spark. Waiting more often keeps you stuck. Some micro actions you can take to inspire creativity include drawing 5 lines, making 3 shapes, trying 2 colors. Then see how you feel. Myth number 3. If it's not good, it's not worth doing. Here's the gentle truth. If it feels true to you, it is worth doing. Small, honest marks matter far more than big, impressive ones. Micro action that you can take today: try setting a 10-minute timer. Stop while you still want more. Let longing lead you back instead of exhaustion driving you away. Myth number 4. You must pick a perfect style before you can grow. Here's the gentle truth. Style emerges as a natural byproduct of showing up. It is already within you. It is not chosen. It's revealed through repetition. And here's a micro action you can try today. Pick a single motif that inspires you or draws you and repeat it for 5 days. Your style will naturally emerge without force. Myth number 5. If you slow down, you'll lose your creativity. Here's the gentle truth. Creativity is cyclical. Rhythm includes rest. Rest is not the opposite of creativity, it is a part of it. Here's a micro action you can take today. Schedule one non-productive restorative session this week. Just let yourself breathe. Let yourself relax. And the bonus myth. You're behind everyone else. Here's the gentle truth. There's no timeline, only seasons. You're not behind. You're in your own rhythm. You are on your own timeline. So here's a micro action you can take today. On this sketching page, write today's date. This moment is a small step on your journey. If you'd like, add a tiny detail to your sketch. A shadow, a highlight, a soft edge. Let it feel like reconnecting. You're not late. You're not behind. You're relearning how to hear your creative voice, and that voice needs gentleness far more than judgment. To close, write 1 or 2 sentences beside your sketch. Which myth visits me most often? What gentle truth am I willing to try this week? If this video resonated, the next one will meet you with even more compassion. Please download your Creative Confidence Journal for prompts and exercises like today's. And if you're longing for deeper support, I'd love to welcome you into coaching or our warm membership community at blueprint2brightstrokes.ca. Until next time, may your day be filled with clarity, peace, and the courage to try one true step.